Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to recreate this Kareena Kapoor Khan makeup look which she wore in Lakme Fashion Week, and she looked so glamorous and so beautiful, and she had those beautiful statement eye makeup that she always loves. And also Kareena and Lakme has come up with their new collection, which is Kareena Kapoor Khan collection, which is a little bit expensive for me, so she used all those products like you can see in this picture. So in this picture it's mentioned what she has used on her face. So today I am going to show you how you can recreate this look with the products you have at your home. I know the new launch is very expensive for some of you. It's for me as well, so I will definitely try one lipstick at least, but the price of that is 1200, so I am not buying from Nykaa. I'm actually waiting for whenever it will launch in the stores. I will go, I will swatch it by myself. If I like it, I will buy it. But the other things like the face contour, blusher, foundations and the brow pencil, I didn't feel that I want to buy them just because of the price range. So in this video I tried including more Lakme products. So I have used Lakme faces, Maybelline as well, so it will be helpful for you. So yeah, that's it. If you want to see how I create this beautiful glamorous Kareena Kapoor Khan makeup look, then please keep on watching.
So first, starting with the primer, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. You can use whatever primers you have in your house. For foundation, I'm using the Lakme Invisible Foundation. I'm in the shade 02. You can use any other foundations from Maybelline, either from L'Oreal, anything you like. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And also Lakme has come up with their Lakme Concealers. To set my face, I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Powder Foundation. I'm in the shade Silky Golden. For contour, blush and highlighter, I'm using the Faces Face Palette. I don't have any bronzer, contour or blush or highlighter from Lakme, so I'm using the Faces palette for this. For filling in my brows, I'm using the Maybelline Brow Pencil. Starting up with the eye makeup, first I'm taking this brown shade from PAC Cosmetics. I will be applying that on my crease with my MAC 217 brush. Just defining my crease really well. With my PAC 213 brush, I'm just blending out the crease so that there is no harsh line. Now applying the same powder on my eyelid. Now I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I'm first applying that on my upper lash line. And now I'm smudging that with my Morphe pencil brush. Applying the same kajal on my waterline, and I'm also applying that on my lower lash line, and again going back with the same pencil brush from Morphe, taking the same eyeshadow and just blending out the lower lash line. Now applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara for this. Now applying some falsies, and you can definitely skip this part. Highlighting my inner corners with the same highlighter. And lastly, for my lipstick, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Matte Lip Color in the shade Apricot Rush.
So guys, that's how I recreated this beautiful look. And if you guys like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to see any other recreation, do let me know in the comment section below. You guys know I love recreating looks. So yeah, that's it. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye guys.